All right, you guys, once you get to the Canva website, you want to click Doc. Now, please pay attention to everything I show you because this can be a little bit tricky. The first thing you're going to do is click that arrow and then click Magic Write. You're going to put 100 of whatever you're looking for. For me, I put 100 business tips. After that, click Generate. Because I'm looking for 100 small business tips, it's going to generate 100 random small business tips. Once it is done generating, you're going to highlight and copy all the way from 1 to 100. After you copy, go back to your home page. From the home page, you're going to type in whatever post you're trying to create. For me, it's going to be an Instagram post. You'll be taken to a page where you can create any Instagram template. For me, I'll be creating a free one. Once you're done editing whatever you want to create, you're going to click on apps and you're going to type in bulk. You're going to click on bulk create. Then click on enter data manually. In the first column, you're going to click paste. It's going to paste the 100 business tips that I copied in the beginning of this course. And in the second column, click delete column. Scroll down and make sure you have 100 different tips. If everything looks correct, click done. Once you get back to the main page, click on the writing with the tip. Then click Connect Data. Click on Name. Then click on Continue. After you click Continue, click on Generate 100 Designs. Okay, once it's done generating, you will see 100 pages with all the tips you generated earlier. Make sure you review all pages and edit anything that you need to edit. If you feel like everything looks great, make sure to share and download.